Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Mailbag. Today we are talking Shimoda Core Unit Skins. This is the skin here. Basically it is a lightweight case for your core unit. The skin comes with standalone core units, but also with Action X and Explore series starter kits. When you purchase a starter kit, the product will arrive fairly similar to how this is laid out. Basically, the skin is inside the backpack and the core unit is inside the skin. So you'll have 3 layers: pack, skin, and then core unit. Before you put your camera gear inside the core unit, you'll want to remove it. You'll also want to remove the skin and then reinsert the core unit back into the backpack. I've seen a few people out there who leave the skin on and close the zipper every time they access their gear. If we do a quick demonstration, we'll quickly see why that's a bad idea. So you open the rear access point, and then you have to open an additional zipper, which is underneath the pack's actual frame. The frame holds the core unit in, so that small amount of space and pressure makes it very difficult to open the zipper. There's no real need to do that. That's why we remove the skin. Sure, it will add an extra layer of protection, but I really don't recommend doing this on a full-time basis. The skin does make a great dust cover for your gear. If you want to keep it stored on the shelf while you're not using it, let your bag air out and dry properly. That is a good idea. Now, the second use for the skin, and for me personally, I use this a lot more in this fashion, is as a packing skin. Because the skin is shaped for the core unit and the core unit is shaped to fit in the backpack perfectly, it becomes a very efficient use of space for packing cells. Now, there's a lot of packing cells in the market, but those packing cells might not fit your backpack perfectly. So let's just close this up. And you can see you have some very nice and tidy organization. This is really handy when you get to a hotel or a destination, even more so when you come back from a trip and this is actually full of dirty clothes, where you can just quickly pull this out and bring it to the laundry room. Another great use for skins is in the Shimoda carry-on roller. As you can see again, it's going to be a perfect fit inside the roller, creating a very efficient use of space. So for those who aren't quite clear on how to use the skin, I hope that gives you a better standing, and hopefully you can also see the possibilities using it as a packing cell with our entire system. That's it for today. We will see you next time. Take care.